This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the platform and getting straight to the first actionable step. On desktop, find the app, file, or folder you want to pin. On mobile, open the web page or app. Once located, right-click or tap the Share/menu icon to reveal shortcut options, because this is where creation tools live. Make sure you have permission to modify the desktop or home screen, otherwise, shortcuts won't stick. Now, proceed to the Create or Add option, so you can place the icon where you need it. Next, perform the core creation steps that differ by system but follow the same logic. On Windows, right-click the target and choose Create Shortcut. On Mac OS, drag the item to the dock or create an alias. For web links on Android, open the menu and add to home screen. On iOS, use Share then add to home. When prompted, pick an icon or accept the default and give the shortcut a clear name. Once done, test the shortcut immediately to confirm it launches the correct target. To finish, place the new icon where it's most accessible, drag into folders, dock, or a home screen page, organize by frequency of use. Make sure to verify it opens the intended app, file, or URL. If the shortcut fails, check permissions, confirm the file path or URL is unchanged, and ensure there are no profile restrictions. If the displayed icon is incorrect, clear the system cache or recreate the shortcut and pick a fresh icon. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.